Hey Carl and Kim, it's Jack with Onboard Landscaping here to walk through this fully rendered 3D design. Uh, Mocked this up from scratch and here to present it to you. First things first, what I had intended when I stopped over, I had discussed with you guys the fact that you have the existing land and stone wall that kind of borders your patio. How I had intended on relocating them, pressure washing them, using them as the first course of, um, another land and stone wall. What you have is currently called snapped line and stone, and snapped line and stone has some irregularities, as you probably know. So what I was intending is we relocate and pressure wash them. Use what you have as that first course, bring in more land and snapped line and stone, and build up that wall, mortar everything together. However, if we did that, we would have a solid retaining wall going all the way around, but we wouldn't have a perfectly level surface because of those irregularities. And I figured, you know, if you're using it as a step onto the bordering concrete or the bordering retained landscape, you would probably want a nice smooth surface. Maybe not as much so when you're walking onto the yard here, but especially since you've got this border from patio to concrete, you wouldn't want any lopsided stones as your finished surface. The nice thing about this wall block that I am suggesting we bring in is it's called sod land and stone. So it's this nice, like it's got a lot of depth to it. Um, it's sod on the top, sod on the bottom, and this allows you the ability to put in a rock face capstone on top, which would provide a perfectly level surface um, in this transition area. Another thing to consider is, since this is technically a drop-down patio, we are going to have to dual pitch it. So we'll be pitching it this way and pitching it this way. And as you can see here, this is a visual representation of the channel drain. So everything will be pitched towards the channel drain. In addition, I like the idea of regrading this area, putting down that lifetime warranty fabric, and then the decorative stone because it also acts as um, more promotion towards drainage. You got everything draining this way, and then you've got, the decorative stone, which acts as better drainage. Channel drains would be routed into the catch basin, and then we would make sure that that catch basin and that drainage system is clear as well. I did kind of add some wish list components. If you guys want me to throw in a price for landscape lighting, my guys know how to do landscape lighting and installing, um, the generator for the landscape lighting or the transformer, um, or like fire pits, we could do that as well. So this is the design so far, and I will show a visual representation of what that snap or the sod land and stone with the rock face cap looks like in this video right now. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.